Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make My Eyes Only password on Snapchat. The first thing you're going to do is open Snapchat. Once in the app, you're going to tap on the two cards in the bottom left hand corner right beside the circle. And from here, you're going to select My Eyes Only. Then you'll tap on Setup. And you'll tap on Quick Setup, and you'll simply create your password. Then you'll tap on it again, and that's it. You can see here the passcode is the only access. Then you'll tap on I understand, then tap on Continue, and that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative on how to create My Eyes Only password on Snapchat.